Whoa, see that? Have some more. Yes, everyone. Whoa.
Yeah, it was just like that.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Calm down.
The only thing that's scary about fireworks.
Watch this one coming up again.
The only scary thing about fireworks is that you're scared if the little fire drops are gonna fall on you.
Okay, hold on, Maria. Don't be scared. Well, let's see what's coming up again. Yes. Watch this one come up again. Watch. Whoa. See that over there? Nice. It's beautiful.
They're going crazy with fireworks.
Yes, they're going crazy with fireworks over there. Let's see.
What if they launch another?
Whoa!
I'm scared.
You see the fireworks over there? They are really going crazy with them.
They might launch another one over there.
Yeah, when they launch it, you're gonna hear it.
I'm just watching it.
You see over there? That's where Auntie Michelle's house is. Whoa! It's okay, Ariel. It's fun. You guys are scared of this one?
I'm scared of when it gets close to us. No.
It's gonna fall over.
Sounds.
Watch. Whoa!
It sounds like it's stuck.
Yeah. See, up there? That's Auntie Michelle's side. See, they have some nice fireworks.
Michelle's doing some?
No, just people around that area. But this is so cool. Oh my goodness. You hear the noise?
They're everywhere.
Everywhere. They're going crazy with it. See?
What's that sound?
It's a firework.
They're so big. That was maybe it's ended.
Now some people over there are making some. See them. Abby, how was this one?
This one gave me a heart attack. The one up here.
Ariel, careful. Stay on the chair. Let's see if we get any more. Oh, Auntie Michelle's side, they still have fireworks going on there. But we can't really see them because the trees are hiding them. Yeah. Let's see if our neighbors are going to give us one more. This was crazy.
Wait, maybe they're preparing a massive one. I'm scared right now. It sounds like thunder, right?
Not necessary.
Oh!
I told you. I'm coming with much more.
No, it's bigger on that side.
What are they? What kind of?
Wow.
Oh my goodness. There's a whole lot of fireworks going on.
Oh my god. It sounds
Yeah, over there you still have some more.
This is scary. It's scary.
Not necessarily. Hey Munchkins.
I'm going to die.
Hey Munchkins, you guys good?
I know. I feel like I'm gonna. They might just preparing one of the biggest ones.
I hope yes. That would be so cool. And look at the moon in all its glory. Aww, Abby. Happy New Year, darling. You're scared? Don't be. I missed this one. Come with the sound. Phew. And then here. Boom, boom. Oh, did you see that giant one over there?
Yeah.
Did you see that? I hope they do it again.
Please do it again. They might. I'm hearing so many. Why? They're like they're in.
Well, everybody's trying to do something.
Like a moving thing.